Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're sharing 11 healthy and delicious meal prep recipes that are perfect for busy weekdays. These recipes are easy to make, packed with nutrients, and can help you stay on track with your health goals. Recipe number 1, Quinoa and Black Bean Salad. This colorful and flavorful salad is packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Recipe number 2, Chicken and Broccoli Stir Fry. This quick and easy stir fry is loaded with veggies and lean protein, and can be made in just 20 minutes. Recipe number 3, Veggie Egg Muffins. These egg muffins are a great grab-and-go breakfast option, and can be customized with your favorite veggies and seasonings. Recipe number 4, Turkey Chili. This hearty and satisfying chili is a great option for meal prep, and can be made in large batches for leftovers. Recipe number 5, Lemon Garlic Chicken with Roasted Veggies. This flavorful and nutritious meal is packed with protein and veggies, and can be made in just one sheet pan. Recipe number 6, Sweet Potato and Black Bean Tacos. These vegan and gluten-free tacos are loaded with flavor and nutrients, and can be customized with your favorite toppings. Recipe number 7, Broiled Salmon with Asparagus. This simple and healthy meal is packed with omega-3 fatty acids and other nutrients, and can be made in just 15 minutes. Recipe number 8, Lentil Soup. This comforting and nourishing soup is packed with protein, fiber, and vegetables, and can be made in a slow cooker for easy meal prep. Recipe number 9, Roasted Vegetable Salad with Quinoa. This colorful and nutritious salad is packed with veggies, protein, and fiber, and can be made in large batches for meal prep. Recipe number 10, Baked Chicken Thighs with Roasted Carrots. This easy and flavorful meal is packed with protein and veggies, and can be made in just one sheet pan. Recipe number 11, Greek Yogurt Parfait. This simple and nutritious breakfast or snack option is packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, and can be customized with your favorite toppings. And there you have it, 11 healthy and delicious meal prep recipes for busy weekdays. We hope you enjoyed these recipes and found them helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.